Pick one, and I did the stickers on first, and I applied one layer of condensed glue gel, really thin, to encapsulating it. So I'm gonna using its really thin coat first, and then cure for 60 seconds. And then I am going to put this. I'm going to doing it like I'm thinking to doing like the crystal mega mix, but then I want to show you a 4D gel first, and then we can move on to a different one later. Okay, so I pick like same beads, or really a couple of them are smaller because I'm gonna do a second layer, and I'm gonna just play with this and see how it's gonna turn out for me. There's so many different ways to do your 4D. There's so many different ways to look for the flowers as well. So let me see if I'm gonna do this one, how it's gonna turn out for us. You can do the other one in rose. It's really easy. You don't have to, basically don't have to do it much. Instagram. I'm gonna do that one, and then using the body of your brush and basically thin it out. And this one is really cool. If you make some mistake, you can always take it off and do it over. You don't have to worry about it's gonna set on you, because it's not gonna set. Get a smaller one. This is really cool, easy, simple for all of you who start playing with the 4D gels. And I mean 3D flowers look, and then 4D gels. Give you a really cool idea of, you know, how you can sculpting these flowers. It's the most basic one. Sorry, it looks like, hold on, too bright for this. I can't see it. I think it just washed out. Can you see it?
You good? Just let go.
There you go. And it's really cool. It's not too dry. It's not too wet. So then you can play with this. Like you can see, I can go back and forth. But if you're using with the liquid and powders, it might dry faster. Or it might set, which is gonna set really fast. And then I might do a smaller one, so I'm just let this one half off.
Dr. Lisa Marie asked you, can you use this product on my natural nails?
Absolutely you can, but you have to have a gel. You have to apply the gel base on the top of your nail first. Then you can apply this. If you feel this one is too big, I feel like I have this one a little bit too big for me. I'm gonna take it part of it and just get a smaller. You can absolutely do it on the natural nails, but this one will not adhere if you don't have a base gel. You have to have a base gel first, then you can do it on the natural nails. Basically, you're using it on. It doesn't have to be with liquid powder. And just like the part of it, this one. This might be too close, but you don't want to do it too big. And you can see that basically I'm just using, this is really basic flowers. And I'm just using the tips of my 40 doer brush. You can do another one if you feel like. I'm doing really details because this is all tutorials for every one of you who is getting our 40 and is so interested in doing a different flowers. This is one type you can do. And it's super easy. I promise if you are doing the exact same, it's nothing much that you have to worry about. This is not gonna set like acrylic liquid and powder, so you can absolutely really sit back and ensure that if you make a mistake, you can always like redo them again, which is you take it off. You see that how I go, and it's a little bit thicker, and I just need to remove a little bit. I just want to make a and I did the strips, the gold strips, elastic strips, and earlier. Just a little better and then something stick on that. Can you grab me the piece of paper? Just want to get that. There you go. I just want to give it a little swirls right there. Okay, I'm gonna cure this one for 30 seconds. If you wanna do it thinner, you can do a little bit thicker. And again, it's not gonna dry until I cure it, and it's tag free, so you don't have to put a top coat on it. Just cure this one. And just really simple, and I can do, yeah, you can do 60 seconds. And the same thing with this, you can do this cute flower simple. I can do another ones in a little bit when we're doing our fusion ink. Maybe you can do with Honesty. And this is dark colors, so because I want to do a designs on it, either that colors, or I am going to do some like gold on it, some gold or white or whatever. So I'm gonna share with all of you. Yeah, it's good. So I'm gonna put some crystal on this one. So I want to, this video is for all of you who is have fusionings, and like for instance, if you don't have any transfer foil gel, so then that way you can able to achieve the look. Hi Monica, hey.